Hello my friends, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing amazing. I'm so excited to be filming today because I really wanted to share this thing with you guys that my channel is finally monetized. This is all because of your support and please keep it coming. Please subscribe to my channel and please don't forget to turn on the post notification bell. And today I am going to be reviewing these amazing Derma products. These are some of the skincare which is really working out for me. मेरी skin आजकल बहुत बुरी हुई थी, बहुत सारे breakouts से, but it's finally coming together. So I will be posting more tutorials. I couldn't film or do makeup because of so much acne and breakouts and all that stuff. So I will be sharing some of the products that are working out for my skin. So if you guys want to see, please keep on watching. Okay, so I want to start by saying that I'm not going to be using this face mask today because I used it yesterday. ये बहुत मिंटी है, बहुत हाइड्रेटिंग है, बहुत अच्छा है, परफेक्ट फॉर ऑयली स्किन, बट आई यूज्ड इट यस्टरडे, तो मैं आज इसको स्किप करूँगी. और सेकेंडली मैं ये फेस पॉलिश भी स्किप करूँगी क्योंकि ये भी मैंने कल यूज़ की थी. ये बहुत अच्छी है, इसमें कोई हार्मफुल इंग्रेडिएंट्स नहीं है जो आपकी स्किन को हार्म करे, सो विच इज़ एक्सट्रीमली गुड. और ये आपकी स्किन को ब्राइटन अप करती है, टाइटन अप करती है, एंड आई रियली लाइक इट, बट आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू बी यूजिंग इट टुडे क्योंकि ये दोनों चीज़ें मैंने कल ऑलरेडी यूज़ की थी. And you should use these things like about twice a week, not more than that. So the first thing I'm going to be using is this Derma face wash. This is in like pomegranate flavor. उसकी तरह स्मेल भी करता है, स्मेल भी बहुत अच्छा करता है, जेल फॉर्म की इसकी कंसिस्टेंसी है. It really applies on the skin like really soft, or it doesn't dry out my skin, which is like the main thing I look in a face wash because I have extremely dry skin. Everything can be over drying, so I'm glad that this face wash doesn't make my skin dry. If you have dry skin, you can try this out. I'm sure you're gonna like it. So I'm just going to massage it for like 2-3 minutes and then I'm going to wash this off. So the second step is scrubbing, which is like extremely important for all skin type people. जिस तरह की भी skin type है, scrubbing is like the main thing. I scrub like 3 times a week. I have very dry skin, but you can like scrub around 2 times a week. Scrubbing से आपकी सारी face की dead skin उतर जाती है. Your skin looks brighter. आपके scars fade होने शुरू हो जाते हैं. आपकी dead skin उतर जाती है. आपका face अच्छे से exfoliate हो जाता है. And don't forget to use it on your neck. I'm doing it in my bedroom, so it was very difficult for me to like apply it everywhere and wash it off. So I'm just applying it on my face. लेकिन आप washroom में use करेंगे definitely because you're not filming like me. So I would recommend कि use it around your neck also. And the beads in this scrub are like not harsh, जो आपकी skin को harm करें. बहुत soft beads हैं, बहुत अच्छे से आपकी skin exfoliate कर देते हैं. So I'm just going to massage it on like for 5 minutes और उसके बाद मैं अपना face wash कर लूँगी. The third step is going to be the whitening massage cream. As I've told you earlier, इसमें whitening वाले कोई harmful ingredients नहीं है. It really brightens up your skin really well and it even hydrates my skin, and also when you massage your skin, the blood circulation gets better, जिससे आपके pimples नहीं होते, skin glowy लगती है. So I recommend you massaging it for like around 15 minutes on your face for a nice result. And I'm just going to massage it on for 15-20 minutes. मैं थोड़ी देर इसको लगा भी छोड़ देती हूँ and just wash my face with regular water. The fourth step is the whitening deep cleanser. I absolutely love this cleanser. I think it just takes all the impurities away and leaves my skin nice and fresh. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है सारी dirt, सारा oil इससे हट जाता है. I would recommend this to oily skinned people. I have a little dry skin, तो मैं इसको रोज़ाना यूज़ नहीं करती क्योंकि मेरी फिर स्किन थोड़ी ड्राई होना शुरू हो जाती है. लेकिन अगर आपकी oily skin है तो I'm sure it's going to work really well on you, and it just takes every oil, dirt away from your face, and I just massage it like regular face wash and then wash it off. And for the last step is going to be this Erin Face Oil. There's a page on Instagram where I got this from. I will mention it down below. This is a really good face oil. बहुत अच्छे से स्किन को मॉइस्चराइज कर देता है. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट इज़ देयर इज़ अ गर्ल हु मेक्स इट. You can tell her your skin type, your skin issue, and she can make it according to your skin, which is like amazing. And not everything works for everyone, so you can just tell her that you have oily skin, or you have dry skin, or you have like sensitive skin, and she is gonna make it according to you. And these are the simple steps that I'm using to cleanse my skin nowadays. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Bye.